120 hours of hydration with each touch. Time to rebuild or make it strong. Presenting Touch and Key Barrier Repair Moisturizer give you a strong barrier, soft and bouncy skin. Provide intense hydration for long hours without reapplication. This moisturizer is always in my vanity for all season. Trust me, you can also try this product now. If you have a dry skin like me, then comment below for the link.